Above your head, hurtling at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour, are five giant pieces of space junk. They're uncontrollable, massive, and ready to trigger a domino effect that could shatter hundreds, maybe thousands of vital satellites in seconds. This isn't a science fiction, it is a ticking bomb that threatens everything from your GPS to global communications. Welcome back to our channel where we uncover everything about space. Today we dive deep into the stories behind five of the most dangerous pieces of space junk orbiting Earth. Relics from the past space races now poised to cause unprecedented disaster. And trust me, what you are about to hear will change how you think about the safety of space forever. You might think space junk is just old satellites and rocket parts floating harmlessly above us, but the truth is terrifying. When even a small piece of debris, sometimes no bigger than a screw, hits a satellite at 28,000 kilometers per hour, it can explode like a bomb. Now imagine a massive rocket body weighing thousands of kilograms colliding with something else at that speed. That's exactly what could happen, triggering a catastrophic chain reaction called the Kessler syndrome, where debris collisions spam more debris, rapidly firing entire orbits with deadly sharpness. The result is satellites powering GPS, weather forecast, internet, global communications, and even emergency response could be lost forever. Now the first one is Zenit 2 SL-16, a Soviet-era rocket upper stage launched throughout the 1980s, weighing nearly 9,000 kilograms. These giant relics litter a narrow orbital band roughly 840 kilometers above Earth, a region crowded with active satellites. They're called ticking time bombs for a reason. Their size and velocity make collisions nearly inevitable. NASA warns a single collision here could create thousands of new debris pieces, turning that orbit into a minefield for decades. Now the next one is ENVISAT. Once the crown jewel of Europe Earth's observation program launched in 2002, this 8,200 kilogram giant suddenly went silent in 2012, becoming a derelict satellite drifting in one of the busiest orbits. Despite being dead, ENVISAT's size makes it a colossal collision hazard. Experts say a crash here would shower space with debris that could haunt us for centuries. The third one is Russia's Meteor 3M #1 weather satellite, launched in late 2001, weighing 2,500 kilograms. It orbits about 1,000 kilometers above us, sharing a crowded highway of satellites. It still holds residual fuel and fragile parts. A collision here wouldn't just break it apart, it could turn into a weaponized debris, threatening dozens of working satellites. Now the fourth one is Ariane 5, whose weight is around 2,575 kilograms, relic drifting through a busy corridor near 800 kilometers altitude. Launched from Europe since the mid-1990s, it now acts like a giant, uncontrollable wrecking ball in one of the most trafficked satellite lanes. NASA has flagged this as a serious collision risk because even a single collision here could multiply the problem exponentially. Last but not least, the CZ-2D rocket body, part of China's Long March family, launched around 2011 at around 4,000 kilograms. It drifts in a sun-synchronous orbit, jam-packed with scientific and commercial satellites. Uncontrolled and unmaneuverable, it's a slow-moving disaster waiting to happen. Now imagine a collision between any of these giants and a smaller piece of debris. The resulting explosion could create thousands of shards, turning one safe orbit into a deadly minefield. Now that's not a science fiction, it what happened in 2009 when a defunct Russian satellite crashed into an active Iridium satellite, creating over 2,000 new pieces of debris and threatening space operations for years. Now multiply that risk by 5. That's how serious these relics are. If ignored, they could spark a cascade of destruction, making large swaths of space unusable for generations. But we do have a good news. Scientists and engineers are working on innovative solutions, robotic arms to capture junk, laser systems to gently push debris out of orbit, and improved satellite designs to reduce future junk. But these technologies are in early stages, expensive, and slow to deploy. Until then, these space junk giants remain silent threats, ticking time bomb in orbit, reminding us that space exploration's biggest danger might not be aliens but our own discarded trash. Now, if you think this is informative or this shocked you, smash that like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Tell us in the comments what should humanity do to stop this invisible space disaster, and I'll meet you in the next video.